My video guide is about getting rid of the ransomware called Retrievedata. In this video guide, you'll find out why exactly it is called Retrievedata and why exactly it is called as a ransomware. So I'll demonstrate to you what happens before the ransomware attacks the files. You may open files without any complications. This includes pictures you store on your hard drive. This includes music, Microsoft Office files, text files, video files, and other information. So you may open your files without any troubles. However, after the ransomware file is executed, it starts immediately encrypting your data. And pretty soon, you'll discover that the special extension has been added to your files, and you see this scary warning that says all of your files have been encrypted and that you need to contact these criminals by email retrievedata300 at gmail.com. And basically this particular email address is also used as a special extension that is added after the main file extension. So you are no longer able to open your files, which is a very sad news for many people. Another sad news is that removing this extension, retrievedata300 at gmail.com, does not fix the problem and does not decrypt your files. The files still remain encrypted. So what should you do in this case? I would strongly advise that you immediately seek for the solution to effectively get rid of this ransomware as soon as you can. My suggestion is that you use Combo Cleaner for that purpose. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download the software and start examining your device to make sure that this ransomware is fully removed, and Combo Cleaner will also help you to protect your files from all further ransomware attacks. After you successfully download and install the Combo Cleaner antivirus for fixing your Windows computer, you may select your preferred scan type. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so it only gives you quick scan option in the trial mode, even though the premium version also gives you the full scan option and a custom scan. You may click on Start Scan button, and the program will prepare to scanning your computer. It will start reporting certain issues that may be related to your browser, or it may detect more serious threats. You may experiment with the preferences of Combo Cleaner. For instance, Combo Cleaner Premium version works very well with its feature called Anti-Ransomware. It gives you the chance to add a special folder where you may store protected items, protected documentation. But this component is only the feature of the premium version. So then while the scanning is taking place, you will be able to observe what particular threats are detected. And then at the end of scan, you will see the complete summary of all threats that were found during the scan. The premium version of Combo Cleaner gives you important features such as anti-malware, anti-ransomware, and web browsing protection. So with these three features being the part of the premium version, your computer will be fully protected. This includes protection against malware, viruses, ransomware, and suspicious pop-up ads, annoying redirections, and other troubles that people may experience with their browser. But once again, all these three features that are summarized as real-time protection are only the part of the premium version of the software. So, once the scanning is completed, you will see the complete summary of all threats that were found during the scan. You may remove all these threats with the premium version of the program, or ask for a special trial key with the limited period of usage to completely enjoy and evaluate Combo Cleaner Premium version.